So passive income is the key to long-term financial freedom. It's income where you do all the hard work initially, you put all the hard work into building systems, and then you sit back and let the money roll in every month passively. You basically make money while you sleep. Now it takes a lot of hard work and time initially, but if you do it right, that money is going to come in on a long-term basis without any more attention. And by doing that multiple times with multiple different streams of passive income, you'll soon have financial freedom, you'll be earning your own income, you won't be relying on a boss, and you'll have the key to independence. So this video is going to look at the exact methods of passive income I use to earn $3,250 of passive income every month. I'm going to break down each income source one by one so you can see exactly how much each one generates, and then I'll talk about my future plans and potential future passive income opportunities that I'm looking to explore in the next 12 months. So enjoy the video, let me know any comments you have in the comments box below, and I'm sure this video is going to give you the inspiration you're going to need to go away and start up your own sources of online passive income. So thanks for tuning in to Starting Up, all about passive income tips for financial freedom. So $3,250 is what I made in passive income last month, and that income has been consistent for the last 6 months. So you can sure enough guarantee that that amount is going to be consistent throughout the months of 2019. So let's jump in and look at those income sources. First off, the first way I make my passive income every month is with affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, long story short, it's basically promoting other people's products and earning a commission when a sale is made. So a bit of the technical details of how that works. A company that sells a product will give you a unique link to put online, a unique URL unique to you. And you can put this on any different places, on your social media profiles, on your website, on your YouTube channel. And when someone buys their product through that link, it gets tracked back to you, and through that tracking, the company that sells the product will pay you a commission, usually at the end of the month. So the passive income that I earned last month was $2,177. Now I did that through putting my affiliate marketing links that I was given from companies on things like my blog, so in content like blog posts. So you can see here on my website startingup.com/blog, I've got blog posts talking about different pieces of software, different products, and throughout those posts I put links to those products so that my readers can go ahead and buy those products if they're interested in them. That's one source of affiliate marketing, through my blog. Another place I put my affiliate links is on my YouTube channel that you're watching now, Starting Up. So here's a video I did on Shopify, and you can see right at the top of the description of that video I have an affiliate link to go ahead and buy Shopify. You can also set up Facebook ads, taking people from Facebook to a thing called a landing page, which is what we're looking at on my screen now. So when the person arrives from Facebook onto the landing page, you'll have your affiliate link on that landing page somewhere, and then when that person clicks the link and buys the products, you're going to make a commission. So affiliate marketing is a great source of passive income. Like I said, you do the work up front, so I make a video like this for YouTube, or I write a blog post, or I make a landing page like the one I've just shown you. But once that's done, people are going to continuously arrive on those pieces of content and buy those products. And I'm doing no more work. That income is coming in every month from me just sitting back and watching the money roll in. So $2,177 is what I made from affiliate marketing last month. It's my strongest source of passive income, and I would implore anyone watching this video interested in passive income to start giving affiliate marketing a try. And if you really want to give it a go and you don't know where to start, then this free PDF that I've made, the 3 free ways to make money online with affiliate marketing, is the perfect starting point. Find the link in the description below, it's free to download, and this runs you through 3 of the easiest ways to get going on affiliate marketing, which are completely free to use. So you can basically start earning affiliate marketing in the next 24 hours or 7 days, however quick you act, but for no cost, and start making money online for affiliate marketing. So download that PDF if you want to learn my method of affiliate marketing, or just Google affiliate marketing or watch some other affiliate marketing YouTubers to learn how to do affiliate marketing. But that is one of the top ways of making passive income online, and it's how I make my most money from passive income online, is through affiliate marketing. Now the second way that I make passive income every month is through t-shirt sales, and in the last 30 days I've made $236 from selling t-shirts online. Now I'm not talking about sitting at home printing t-shirts by hand, packaging them up and going to the post office and sending those packages yourself. No, I'm talking about using websites like Zazzle, which you can see now, or like Amazon, which you can see now, which are websites where you can simply upload your t-shirt designs to those sites, and these websites take care of the rest. So once you've uploaded your t-shirt designs, Amazon or Zazzle will print the t-shirts for you when you get an order through their website, and they will mail that t-shirt to the customer. So like I said, passive income model, all you're doing is the design work initially and uploading that to these platforms, and then these platforms are taking care of the rest. Now, I only made $236 from t-shirt sales in the last 30 days in comparison to the $2,177 that I made from affiliate marketing last month. So t-shirt sales clearly aren't my strongest form of passive income, but every little counts, and $236 from doing nothing at all last month is definitely something worth noticing. If you want to start selling t-shirts yourself and making passive income through t-shirt designs, then make sure to get my new PDF, the 10 best websites for selling t-shirts online, completely free again. Just head to the link in the description to this video to download that PDF, and I've ranked my 10 favorite websites for uploading designs and selling t-shirts through online. So if you want to start doing t-shirt sales rather than affiliate marketing, or both, you can get this t-shirt PDF that I've made for free and get on your way. So $2,177 from affiliate marketing, $236 from selling t-shirts online. The third method of passive income, the third and final that I use to make that total of $3,250 every month, is this YouTube channel. So jumping back to this YouTube channel now, I make around 2 to 4 videos a week on average, and this channel generates me $840 in advertising revenue in the last 30 days. So, you know, I'm doing the videos, I usually do all my videos in one day. I sit back and then the videos make me money from the advertising that is shown at the start of the videos. Now, this method of having a YouTube channel isn't as passive as the t-shirt sales or the affiliate marketing, because, you know, those two, you really do the work up front, you sit back and it generates you quite a lot of money on an ongoing basis. And with YouTube, you know, you have to normally upload weekly to keep your YouTube channel sort of alive and keep in YouTube's favour. But the thing is, with my channel, I have videos that are being watched that I made 1 year ago, 2 years ago, that are still making me money today. So in terms of time from when the work was done to when I'm earning money, YouTube is a great platform for doing work up front, uploading it onto the platform, leaving it, and it's going to keep making you money a year from now, 2 years from now. And if you learn how to do research, like little tricks and hacks, so if you learn how to reverse engineer YouTube search engine and Google search engine, you can make videos that are going to be discoverable in a year's time, 2 years time, 4 years time, 5 years time, and still making you money then. So the trick with YouTube is to keep uploading content that's going to be discoverable in many years time, and you're going to keep building a bigger and bigger bank of discoverable content that's going to be making you money every time it's played and the adverts get shown before those videos. So just to prove to you I'm not lying, here's my dashboard for this channel right now. You can see Greg Priest starting up for the last 30 days up top, and you can see my revenue here is $841 for the last 30 days. And, you know, I have some days where I make a new video and I get a spike, so I had $39 this day and $47 this day, but if we drew like an average line across it, you can see I'm making around $25, $30 on average every day just from my previous videos that are being watched and rewatched every month, and then the spikes and the new ones I'm uploading every week. And that's it, that's as simple as that. Those are the 3 simple sources of passive income that I use to earn $3,250 of passive income every month. Affiliate marketing through blogs, my YouTube channel, landing pages and advertising, selling t-shirts online, and then finally the advertising revenue I get from YouTube. And like I said, if you want to learn how to do those first 2 things, affiliate marketing or selling t-shirts online, I've got free PDFs teaching you the basic steps with both of those methods of passive income. But long story short, to put a cross-cutting theme across everything I've said in this video, if you really want to make passive income online, what you really need to be thinking about doing is providing value for other people. It's all well and good saying that affiliate marketing is a way to earn passive income, or making a YouTube channel, but if you're doing this just for yourself and you're not providing any value for people on the receiving end of those things, then you're not going to earn much. But if you can make content, information, put things out in the world that are providing value for other people, then in turn you're going to get that value back in the form of passive income. So make an educational YouTube channel. Design t-shirts appealing to people that are usually underrepresented. Provide value for people where the value isn't previously there, and then that will come back to you in the form of passive income. So I've got a future plan on how to really increase my passive income revenue over the next 12 months. You know, looking at things like investments, sponsorships, selling courses, and I'm going to be talking about a lot more passive income opportunities through this channel. Watch my video on Thursday that's going to be talking about potentially 15 amazing opportunities for passive income in 2019 if you want to take passive income seriously and learn more about it. And in particular, this video is going to be talking a lot more about affiliate marketing moving forwards. It's my most successful passive income source to date. I feel like I've got a ton of knowledge to share on the topic, and this channel is going to be seriously focusing about specifically passive income for at least the next 2-3 months. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Keep checking back in if you are subscribed. And like I said, if you want to start out with affiliate marketing, go and download my free PDF. The link is in the description to this video, under 3 of the free ways to get started with affiliate marketing. Great, so this video is getting quite long. I'm going to stop now, but thanks for watching. Just provide value for other people and anything is possible. I've been doing this for 2.5 years now, and I'm making a full-time living. I have financial freedom from passive income. You can do the same too. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll keep giving informational videos like this and helping you along the way. Thanks for watching. As always, keep starting, and I'll see you very soon.